Who says crime doesn't pay? Turner's American reimagining of the Australian gangster drama Animal Kingdom is rolling into a fourth season on the cable network. TNT announced the development on Monday afternoon, revealing that the John Wells executive-produced series launched so well last month that a season 4 is a foregone conclusion. Crime drama Animal Kingdom stars Ellen Barkin as the matriarch of the Cody crime family, with Sean Hattasey, Ben Robson, Jake Weary and Finn Cole rounding out the cast. Season 3, currently airing Tuesdays at 9/8 kicked off with the death of Scott Speedman's boss, and the Cody men now find themselves increasingly divided as they fight for control and independence. The Season 3 finale is set for August 21. Indeed, the series launched over several nights on Memorial Day weekend earlier this year, taking in 4.3 million total viewers, with 2 million of said viewers being inside the coveted 18 to 49 demographic. The series has since had a strong run that continues to be up nearly 10% from its first season. Still, this is good news for fans of a series that keeps crime in the family and not in that necessarily glamorized Mario Puzo way either. On July 2, 2018, Animal Kingdom was renewed for a fourth season with a start date TBD. We'll inform you of further details and the release date as soon as they are available, so please stay tuned.